How are you guys? Rame banget di grup guys.
Oh, sorry Miss. Aduh, agak pusing.
Kenapa
Oh.
bro? Something
Hi
Ya,
wrong
sis, hi
happened?
hi.
Hi.
ya something wrong on my business. Oh my
Oh, all
God.
right.
Oh,
Okay.
miscommunication again.
Hope it can what is it like? Well soon ya bro ya.
Amen, Miss. Thank you,
Okay.
Miss. Thank you, Miss.
All
Aduh,
right.
aduh, aduh.
Okay. Thank you so
Wah,
much
ramai
everyone.
sekali. So excited. Konbawa.
Welcome.
Halo Bro
Welcome.
Akbar.
Super happy
Abang,
you
abang, abang,
be.
Long time no see, everyone.
abang.
It's glad to see you every day.
Hello. Hello, bro.
Super happy you
Oh my
be
God.
bro. By
Ah,
Hello, bro.
Halo
no
the way.
sis.
problems. No problems.
Hi.
Just take it easy.
All right. So everyone, so sorry that I'm late for 5 minutes for today. And then actually I really want to what is it like? About the quiz that I said before, I
And
will
then
send it tomorrow, okay?
tomorrow
Kalau
again.
quiznya itu aku ya, quiz, sorry.
All right.
Pokoknya sekalian weekend. Jadi ada kerjaan aja di weekend, oke? Nggak libur, oke?
So on the Sunday,
Okay.
maybe you send on this
No, no, no,
group,
no, no, no,
maybe.
no, no. Tomorrow. I will send it tomorrow. So you can do
Oh,
it on directly tomorrow or even Saturday, Sunday. You can do it whenever you want, okay?
okay. Got it,
Oke.
Miss.
Okay. Just for practicing. It's about simple past ya, karena kita kemarin bahas yang simple past.
Wow,
Nanti
miss
aku
that moment.
iya, akan ini send tentang simple past juga.
Miss.
Okay.
Okay. So for
Miss.
today, everyone, ya.
What, dude?
Interruption, Miss. Is mantap.
Instructions mantap.
No, no. Apa, Miss? Bahasa Inggrisnya kayak orang awam itu apa ya, Miss? General people kah?
Beginner bisa.
Ordinary ya boleh, ordinary orang
Ordinary.
biasa,
Oke, oke,
ya
oke.
tergantung konteks ya.
Common people bisa.
Iya.
Oh, oke, oke.
Okay. So for today, by the way, we just want to talk about something that really often happened around us, guys. Like every day, we always have this kind of things, okay, in our life, even with our family, friends, or even our colleagues, right? So here we go. First, it's about giving agreement and disagreement, okay? Hari ini kita mau bahas tentang giving agreement and disagreement, okay? Ada persetujuan dan tidak setuju, okay? By the way, guys, do you always have different opinion or even different opinion with your friend or even the people around you?
Mhm.
Yes, okay. By the way, what's the reason? Biasanya tuh alasannya apa? What's the reason? What is the common reason that always happen?
Because the people
Biasanya tuh
have
karena
a
apa?
statement different like this, I think.
Mm-mm. And then the different
Oh, jadi
statement, it's based on biasanya berdasarkan apa? For example,
Maybe
based
on a
on their
side
own
A is
experience.
a have a statement A. Maybe one of
Uh-uh,
people side B have a statement B. It's just like
uh-uh.
this.
Alright, okay. Misalnya belum
That I
ada
think.
belum? Wait ya.
What's the problems again? On the groups?
Yes. Okay.
Sisanya belum join.
Ternyata Bro Sapagonya yang belum join ini. Mana orangnya? Oke. Let's go. So, we just want to talk about this one. What do you think about this picture? Okay. Tadi Bro Akbar sudah menjawab sebenarnya. Okay. What about others' opinion?
Only six.
nine.
Object A, say this is 9. And then object B is a say this is a 6. Like this for the different statement.
Yes. What is? Anyone can answer it
Uh,
or even anyone can give the
And then for
explanation of this
me,
picture?
for the statement, he's nothing.
Depend of look.
Depend
Different
on
of a look.
different
Tergantung sudut pandang, Miss.
point of view. Yeah, it's
Ya,
different because of different point of view. They
point
can
of
just
view.
like see in different side. Mereka melihat di sisi-sisi yang
Beda.
berbeda. So that's why the result is also different. Okay?
Right.
Karena itu hasilnya juga berbeda. Ada yang lihat dari versi yang sebelah sini 6 dan versi yang sebelah sini 9 because they can see it in a different perspective. Okay? So,
Yep,
what
yep, yep.
about this one? What was the last time you disagree with something? Kapan terakhir kali kalian tidak setuju tentang dengan seseorang? Anyone?
Kapan ya?
Yesterday.
Kapan?
Yesterday, Miss.
Yesterday. Why, bro? Yesterday. What is the thing that you disagree with someone?
Oh my God. Maybe not yesterday, but now.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah,
What is the things?
about money, Miss.
Okay.
So, aduh, ngomong udah ngomong aja dah. Ayo, berat susah ngomong nih pakai bahasa nih.
Like a combination, dude. Don't be shy.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So, my customer is already said he already paid for the items. So when I check on the laptop, he didn't pay it.
Okay.
You didn't play?
Is this like a
belum bayar.
fraud? Is this like a fraud, penipuan or something?
No. Ada miscommunication.
Oh,
Anak
okay.
gua tuh belum kasih tahu saya kalau dia udah bayar uang cash kah atau
Oh, okay.
karena
Maybe like the different kind of the payment, yeah.
usually when a customer paid to me, I paid to another anak buah apa Miss bahasa Inggris Miss?
It's just like your employee.
Oh no, don't say sakachung, bro. What do you mean?
Employee.
Just when my
Employee,
customer pay my employee, my
Mhm.
employee usually say to me, this customer is already paid, and then my employee he didn't tell me. Dan
I see.
this is my problem now. So aku akan cek-cek agak lama nih.
All
And
right.
then there's a problem in this of your
Yeah.
subordinate like this.
Yes, I
Oh
need
my
your.
God.
Sorry.
Wait.
Bro,
Another
he.
one. All right. Okay.
Oh.
Bro, get out then.
Don't.
Okay. Thank you, bro. So that's bro get out problem, right? So how about others? Okay.
Okay,
Let's
me
go on,
first.
guys. Okay.
On my last have a problems like this different statement. Only still is the old story. My old story is we still in the high schools during the during that organizations selections debate. And then when I was still in the high schools like this. Udah lama sih.
Okay. It was a long time ago, yeah, bro, yeah.
Yep.
How many months, right? Okay.
30 years only because I'm 23.
Okay, that's okay. Then
I
I think your
see.
problems.
All right. How
Finally.
about this one? All right. How about others? Ada lagi yang mau? What was the last time you just like disagree with someone? Kapan terakhir kali kalian tidak setuju dengan seseorang? Tisnisa? Kon?
Nah,
Ya.
kalau saya sama ini selalu, sis. Saya sama ini selalu nih, sis.
Tisnisa, go on.
Yeah, yesterday I think when
Yesterday?
when we discussed about the wife should do household chores.
Of
Yeah,
course.
did you remember that?
Yes, of course. I just still remember.
And yeah, I have a different disagree with someone.
And then with this
Different
different
one.
statement like this.
Opinion.
Yeah. All right. So, that's it, Tisnisa?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Sis Nisa. And then, how about this one, guys? Why do we have different opinion when we watch or see something? Kenapa sih kita punya pandangan yang berbeda jika melihat sesuatu, guys? Coba ya, yang lain yuk. Ayo, let's go, guys. Bro Zen, Sis Rizka, Bro Jeff.
Don't be shy on the
Uh,
try, guys. Let's do it.
yes, come on. Sis Shiva, Leslie, nah.
5 screen meetings. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Mm, mm,
Hello?
mm, mm, mm.
Why are you just silent, guys? Come on. Are you still
Flip your
eating?
fire. Let's do it.
Are you having your dinner so you don't want to talk? Sis Nisa,
Present.
Brohi. Oke, Sis Rizky. Bro Rizky. Ayo, siapa tuh? Let's
Okay.
go.
Present.
Let's go, bro.
I will add some opinion with.
Okay. Uh-uh.
Why do we have different view when we see what something?
Or watch something.
Because every people have different background or experience or maybe
Purpose. Halo?
jadi blank ya.
Oh iya.
Why? Why,
Udah
bro?
bener kok. Udah bener kok.
Why? Yeah, I think groggy.
Different.
Yeah, I think
Listen,
groggy
listen,
because,
guys. Listen, guys. We in here, be learn, be study together, and then don't be quip your side in the here. Okay?
Yeah, it's
But
okay,
just
bro.
quip on fire, your fire in the here. Let's do it. Come on, dude.
Let's go, let's go.
yeah, I think bro Rizky groggy because sis Saza maybe.
Si Zaza, alamak.
Ngapain? Nggak ngapa-ngapain salah mulu dah, Brohi.
Right, going on, bro. Go ahead. Do it.
Yes,
You
go
can
ahead.
do it,
What,
bro.
Bro
Rizky.
Rizky? Oh,
Like-
your statement is already true, bro. It's because
Jangan
of the
groggy.
experience. And then what else?
Like example, like example, we know new program from president about MBG, but we have a different opinion. There is a people say MBG is useful for us, and some and others say it's not useful because every people have kepentingannya masing-masing. Apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya?
Yeah, their own needs, their own purpose,
Yeah.
right?
They own need.
Kebutuhannya beda-beda.
Yeah, like that, Miss. But
Yes.
nggak bisa ini.
I agree your statement, dude.
Agree.
Stop
Yes, agree with
MBG.
that. Because like
MBG.
there's some of the people already maybe like they already have money, they don't need MBG because they can bring their own lunch, gitu kan? But for some people who just like don't have like enough money or just like some money for eat or for having breakfast, lunch or dinner, they really need that kind of thing. So it's just like different needs, gitu kan? Makanya ada yang namanya perbedaan pendapat tentang MBG ini. Ada yang butuh, ada yang sangat terbantu, tapi ada juga yang sebaliknya kayak karena dia tidak suka ataupun tidak terbiasa, they don't used to eat something like that. Mereka tuh nggak biasa misalnya udah enak makan makanan yang mewah, luxury food or something like that. Sedangkan MBG kelihatannya makannya biasa aja misalnya kan. Terus mereka jadi kayak oh, nggak butuh gitu. Sedangkan while in another life gitu kan, there's like some of people that really need that because even when they want to eat something, mungkin dia cuma makan 2 kali sehari atau sekali sehari gitu. Masih ada yang seperti itu. So that's why lots of people just like have different perspective. That's because of they what is it like have different needs gitu. Mereka punya kebutuhan yang berbeda. levelnya juga berbeda.
But on my statement is ini exactly on MBG ya. Maybe like
Yeah.
for me exactly I agree for that for MBG, but I should be different to the contents like a canteen gitu kan, for example. And then it's because the schools canteen that should be free, I think. But on my pre-odds like kayak prioritas paling utama menurutku dalam MBG ini adalah lebih baik yang pelosok.
Iya, nah,
Bukan
Okay,
kayak
go on.
bukan maksudnya dalam artian sekolah-sekolah yang apa ya bisa dibilang kalau kita lihat ya kayak sekolah-sekolah di daerah kota ataupun yang di mana mungkin kurasa it's like tadi ku bilang lebih baik kantin tuh free. Tapi kalau misalkan untuk sekolah pedalaman ya it's okay, nggak apa-apa, nggak masalah. But balik lagi, it's a different perspective, it's a different statement.
Yes, exactly.
But
Ya, kalau untuk yang di kota, yes.
but if you have a different like this, please guys, put your respect on the like situations.
Yes, it's just like your opinion, just like show your opinion without judging other people's opinion, yeah. Okay.
Too
All
much
right, go on,
progress.
yeah. Bro. Okay,
Let's go,
thank
let's
you.
go.
Bro Arya,
I
let's
think I
go.
like your
What
statement.
do you think, bro, about this one?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. This is based on my experiences about the question number 2. First of all, I think it's perfectly normal because people have a different perspective, even those close to us. I mean, if you look at an object and see it from a different angle, that's why totally normal. And I mean, it's naturally have a different viewpoint, but the point is, I'm still respect the people opinion. Maybe, yeah, maybe that.
Right.
Yeah, that's all. Okay.
That's all. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, bro Arya. Okay, Sis Jolly.
Sis.
How about you, Sis Jolly? Hi,
Oh,
bro.
oke. Lanjut sis.
Okay.
In my
Sis Jolly?
opinion,
Yep.
yeah, in my opinion, every people have their own opinion, purpose, and point of view. We have different way to mean a situation, and I think that because the different social backgrounds and experience. That's all.
Okay. All right. Okay. It's just like close to Bro Rizky's too, yeah. All right. It's just like different. That's the difference is because of the social level and also about experience of someone, right? Okay. So thank you, yes, it's Jolly. Right now, guys, I just want to show you about when we want to give an agreement or disagreement to someone or to something, okay, we can use this guys for agreement. Kalau untuk persetujuan, kalian boleh pakai ini, salah satunya atau beberapanya. Oke, ada I think you're right. Saya kira kamu benar, oke? Sebelum menambahkan alasannya, kalian boleh pakai ini dulu, oke? Untuk kasih apanya? Statement pertama dulu sebelum alasan, oke? I think you're right. If you want to say if you just like agree to something, okay? Kalau misalnya kalian setuju dengan sesuatu, kalian boleh pakai ini. I think you're right. Atau boleh pakai I agree with, okay? Saya setuju dengan, baru dengan apa yang kamu setujui, kamu tinggal sambungin aja. For example, saya setuju dengan MBG. Berarti kayak I agree with MBG because kenapa gitu. You can give the reason ya. After giving an agreement statement, you can give the reason why you agree with something. Kenapa kamu agree tentang sesuatu, kamu harus kasih alasan. Biar jelas, okay? Let's make it detail. And also about I'm absolutely on the same point. Nah, aku bener-bener sama deh. Maksudnya tuh punya pemikiran yang sama. I am absolutely on the same point. And then boleh pakai okay, you have go the point there. Okay, boleh lanjutin aja poin yang tersebut gitu. Artinya dia setuju juga. I couldn't agree more. Setuju banget nih. Boleh ini pakai ini. Dan juga yang terakhir ada I think so too. Aku mikirnya juga begitu. Boleh pakai salah satu dari ini, oke? Ketika kalian setuju tentang sesuatu atau setuju dengan orang lain gitu, kalian boleh pakai salah satu dari ini. Just like use it based on the situation and condition of the context. Okay? For agreement? Ada yang mau ditanyakan?
I think for
Untuk
me this
agreement?
enough, sis. Thank you so much.
Yes. How about others?
Me too. My answer is same as Bro Akbar.
Okay. Others? Ada yang mau ditanya? Ada? Kita lanjut ya. Okay. It's about disagreement ya. Ketidaksetujuan, okay? If we disagree with something, we just use that. I'm not convinced by that idea. Aku nggak yakin dengan ide tersebut atau ide itu gitu. You can say also the reason kenapa nggak yakinnya ya. Kalian bisa kasih alasan. Tapi ini adalah kalimat pertamanya. And then boleh pakai I'm not so sure. Aku nggak terlalu yakin. Tapi gitu. Berarti ini ada menyatakan keraguan. Biasanya bimbang ya antara yakin, antara setuju dengan enggak. Tapi dia lebih mostly-nya, lebih banyaknya itu ke yang tidak setujunya. I'm not so sure. Tapi aku nggak terlalu yakin sih. Tapi it's a bit true. Kayak ini sedikit benar, but there is like some of the thing that maybe we have to consider. Misalnya ada beberapa hal yang harus kita pertimbangkan misalnya. But there are some things that we need to be considered. Nah, yang harus dipertimbangkan, yang harus kita butuh pertimbangkan gitu kan. Ada beberapa hal yang harus dipertimbangkan dulu sebelum memutuskan misalnya gitu. Atau juga I think I disagree. Aku kira aku nggak setuju karena ini lebih simple ya. Aku kira aku nggak setuju deh gitu. Terus don't get me wrong. Jangan salah paham, but I don't think they fit with. Jangan salah paham, tapi aku kayaknya nggak ini mereka tuh nggak cocok deh dengan hal tersebut misalnya. I don't think they fit with this way. Aku kayaknya mereka tuh nggak cocok deh dengan cara yang ini, with this way. Dengan cara yang ini atau dengan pilihan yang ini baru pakai this way or choice. Boleh tergantung situasi apa yang kalian hadapi. And then, I see what you mean. Aku paham dengan apa yang kamu maksud, tapi ini kelihatannya tuh kosong ataupun nggak ada artinya gitu kan. You can say that. And then, I'm so sorry, but I have different opinion. Maaf ya, tapi aku punya opini yang berbeda. Nah, baru kalian sebutkan apa yang kalian pikirkan atau menurut kalian tuh gimana tentang konteks yang dibahas. Setelah ini. Terus lagi ada it may sound good idea. Ini kelihatannya bagus, kedengarannya bagus, cuma gitu. Tapi ada kontranya ya, sama kayak yang kedua. Tapi gitu, kayaknya ini lebih mahal gitu. Misalnya nih, pengen beli mobil gitu. That's like your husband wants to buy a car. You can say that this one. Kalau misalnya kalian nggak setuju, boleh bilang ini. It may sound good idea. Ini kayak idenya bagus, cuma we don't have much money. Kita nggak punya uang yang begitu banyak to buy that car, untuk membeli mobil yang itu misalnya. How about we look for just like a cheaper car, misalnya mobil yang lebih murah, misal. Boleh seperti itu, because that's too expensive. Karena yang itu terlalu mahal, over budget, misal. Boleh seperti itu. Oke? Okay? Okay.
Okay, sis. But I have a question.
Okay. What's the question?
So, and then what about in my daily use of words like this? Maybe for the something I have a different on my friends. I actually and on my daily words like I respectfully disagree, and then I understand your point, but I hold a different view. Itu boleh nggak dipakai, sis?
Boleh. Itu artinya itu sama aja dengan yang ini, cuman dengan cara yang berbeda. Maksudnya sama, boleh digunakan.
And then so in my slang, language. He's just like, not really, bro. Itu boleh juga, sis.
Boleh, tapi itu secara informal ya. Karena kan
Oke.
nggak terlalu ini. Tapi kalau ini untuk yang lebih ke formal. Tapi boleh juga untuk yang informal juga ya beberapanya. Oke, tapi kalau misalnya kayak not really, nah itu lebih ke kayak ke ngomong ke teman. Oke?
Pergaulan ya, sis ya. Off
Yeah,
social. Alright. Praise
exactly.
sis.
All right. Thank you, bro. Next. How about this one, guys? Let's go. The first question that I want to ask in room first, yeah.
Sis,
English
can
is
you
something.
zoom on the material, please?
Okay, wait. All right. So, wait a second. Nah, English is something easy to learn. Bahasa Inggris adalah sesuatu yang mudah untuk dipelajari, guys. Agree or disagree? Boleh raise hand deh yang mau jawab. Okay. Anyone wants to answer this statement? Agree or disagree with the first statement, bro? Okay, bro Arya, let's go.
Okay, for the question, I mean, I'm really agree because for now, English is so important. I mean, it's a international language. If you want to visit several country in, I mean, you must to have English skill. At least you have basically an English. But for now, if you want to abroad, if you want to visit in abroad, uh, you want to have maybe IELTS certif or TOEFL certif, especially if you want to apply in scholarship maybe or work in abroad. It's my dream, honestly. But for now, I'm still learn about English. I'm still, yeah, it's so difficult for me. Maybe the point is I'm so agree about the question number one. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, bro Arya. All right. Next, bro Bagus.
Yeah, I'm disagree about that statement because English is not something easy to learn in Indonesian actually because the environment not support us to learn English every day because people of Indonesia speak more in Bahasa, not English. Yeah, so that's why it's so hard to learn English. But yeah, English is very important for the future, I think. Yeah, that's all.
All right. Thank you, bro Bagus. Okay. Next, bro Gerald.
So, okay, English. On my opinions, English is not something easy to learn. So because on my experience, oh lama. Wait, miss. Ulang,
You
miss.
can
Ulang,
off
miss.
the camera first if you're not confident enough.
Because it is always doing to me, miss. Probably I'm not sure about the statement. The statement is really English something
Okay.
easy to learn. I'm really not sure, but because as of my experience, when I first learning English at my apa tuh gimana Miss cara ngomong pertama kali saya belajar Inggris tuh pada saat saya kelas 10. Kelas 12 ya, kelas 12.
Hello, can you hear my voice? Kayaknya lagging deh.
Halo.
You're lagging
Halo.
in your connections? Hello?
Ya. Halo.
Ya.
Oh my god.
Halo, ya sekarang sudah better.
You can
Halo.
hear everyone here, sis?
Yeah, right now it's already better. I can hear
Okay.
your voice now.
Go ahead. Regard,
Okay, so
what are
test.
your questions?
Okay, maybe I can speak slowly lah ya. So
It's okay.
as my experience when I was at senior high school, when I 12 grades, I first learned English language. It is really hard. So I learned about English. I learned about English autodidact. So almost 1 year I learned about English, and then baru bisa sampai sekarang, Miss. Baru bisa ngomong lancar gitu. Agak lancar sedikit lah. Dulu tuh
I
pas kelas itu
see.
benar-benar nggak bisa ngomong.
That's because of what? Just like learn autodidact or taking a
Autodidact.
course like this? Auto, right.
Oh, I was take a course.
Oh, okay.
Just
Well,
1 year.
learning by yourself, but also taking the course, right?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's a process, right?
And
But
then
but don't say it's difficult. Try hard
Yeah.
on the
Yeah,
learn the
just say
English.
it
Good.
always easy
We
because
try all the
it
time.
can be easy based on your
Mhm.
thoughts, right?
But for my opinion, this course is most useful than my scores. Apa tuh course yang dulu? Benar, Miss. Lebih
Previous,
bagus ini, Miss, sumpah, Miss.
previous course.
Because
Previous.
when I was apa tuh course yang lama tuh, Miss. Per bulan
Previous.
500.000, Miss.
Itu. Previous
Oh.
course. Berarti kursus yang sebelumnya.
Mm-mm.
Previous.
Previous.
I
Oh,
see.
okay,
Yeah,
I
hope
get.
you can get something better, yeah, here. Not only
Yeah, that's it.
what is it? Not only for the tutor but also for the friends ya. Kayak teman juga ngaruh, guys. Sometimes when we just like get like some of the friends like introvert, misalnya semuanya pada nggak mau ngomong misal. Jadi juga susah improve-nya gitu. So, beruntunglah kalian untuk di batch yang ini semuanya pada mau ngomong ya. Bahkan
Tapi
berebutan.
kadang-kadang saya kan sering pergi ke Malaysia, Miss.
Heeh.
Tapi rata-rata tuh saya ngomong Inggris tuh lancar, Miss. Tapi pas di sini tuh, Miss, alamak, macam mana aku nak ngomong nih? Mana-mana tak tahu, Miss.
Because
that's because of right now kalau yang di sini kan didengerin sama semua orang kan, tapi kalau yang di sana kan ya udah gitu sama yang orang yang dimaksud aja gitu.
No.
I was talk about
That's why.
No,
good
bro,
doctor,
Gerard.
Miss.
I think you still groggy.
Yeah, maybe I
Semuanya
think
udah
just
grogi sih. Oke.
Yes.
Nggak gini, bro. Lo kan bilang tadi kalau misalkan
Wait,
di Malaysia
sebentar.
sama di sini beda Inggrisnya, gitu aja.
Ya,
Don't be shy.
daily beda ya, daily sama formal itu kadang-kadang berbeda.
Yeah, let's continue, sis.
general English. Okay, let's
Wait,
continue.
sebentar ya. Okay, Sis Nita. Okay, Sis Nita, how about you?
Yeah. Thank you. I think English is one of the language that easy to learn compared to another language, because there's so much way to learn English. Informal way we can use film, movie, or games to learn English. Informal way there's so much English course in every city. So for me, English is easy to learn.
Okay, all right. By the way, you just like learn the English based on yourself, like just watching the movie or even like reading the book or taking the courses. Mostly. Kebanyakannya apa sih? Belajar
For me?
sendiri atau ya.
For me, watching movie, listening to the music. This is the first time. This is the second time I joined the course.
Wow. Before that in same partner too or different course?
Different course.
Oh, all right. I see. Okay. So we just like already learned before you taking the course, right? It's not when you just like go to course, but that's not the first time to learn. Already know about the English.
Yeah.
Even that makes him good. sis. I guess. You
She.
go,
Her,
sis.
her, not
Her.
him.
Oh, her.
Sis
Okay,
Nita
my
loh,
bad.
sis Nita loh.
It's okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right, guys. Right now, we just wants to go to the breakout room ya. Okay. I'll divide it first ya.
Oh
Sorry ya,
my
bro.
god.
Para bro Jeff
Sorry,
tadi
Miss,
ada
Miss,
Bro Akbar.
Miss, Miss.
Apa tuh, bro? Apa tuh?
I have opinion, Miss.
What? What's your opinion?
Yeah, yeah. I think English is easy to learn, but for English grammar, yeah, I think in my opinion, I think English grammar,
Kinda hard,
I
right?
think it is really, really hard, very hard. Yeah, like for example, the IELTS maybe, yeah, IELTS test or TOEFL IBT ya, like that lah.
Mm.
Ya saya rasa susah bahasa Inggrisnya.
Yeah, that's for like what is it, like scholarship or even like a
Yeah.
formal way. It's kind of hard because of we have to learn about the what is it, the pattern, not only just speaking.
Kalau speaking kan mudah kan, kalau grammar, waduh, pening Pak.
But different word
Exactly,
for me,
benar-benar.
Miss.
Yes.
Miss, may I ask you? I need your give
What?
me tips for speaking, Miss. So
Okay.
when I take simulation test IELTS, I got 6.0.
Uh-uh.
Ada dapat 6, Miss. IELTS, Miss.
Uh-uh.
But
It's already good lah. Enggak yang buruk loh itu. Uh-uh.
but Miss, for my
But
speaking,
what?
the score it is 5.5. Oh my god, it's really shy. But my reading is 7.
Ah, I see.
Readingnya
Berarti
7. Can
kamu
you give me
ini
tips?
dong, oke di reading,
Mm-mm.
iya kan? But
Yes.
that's not
Oo.
bad loh. Itu kayak 6 itu udah oke.
Tips and triknya dong sih
Oh.
supaya
Nanti di akhir ya, mungkin aku
Dude.
kasih
Next,
tips and
dude. To be
tricks ya.
continued, dude. Please.
Iya,
Go
in
to
the
back
last,
room again.
okay?
Oh
You
my
know.
god.
Go on ya.
Oke.
Go on.
Kan.
Wait ya, I'll go for
Tes hilang breakout roomnya.
Okay, wait a second ya, bro. Wait. Jangan diklik dulu ya, bro. Bentar. Jangan diklik, oke? Sebentar, jangan diklik. Oke, sudah boleh diklik. Apakah sudah muncul, bro?
lucu sekali Tuhan. Loh, yang lain pada belum keluar semua ini? Apa gimana? Dikit banget?
Belum, bentar.
Aja yang dikeluarin.
Lagi di room.
Sis, sayangnya kita
Mhm.
lanjutnya
Apa
kapan
tuh?
nih sis? Level sis. Apakah sis Zaza lagi yang ini?
I don't know. It's by
Why you
request sih. By request. Boleh request. Kalau
Oh.
misalnya mencukupi akan dilanjutkan gitu. Tapi
Can
kalau
I
misalnya
can I on
Hi,
private
sis.
class on you maybe like this? Is that accept
Yeah,
on the rules?
it can be, but just like tell to the staff, because sometimes what is it? The time is not enough, right? Because I just teach for about 7 to 10 gitu. Gitu, bro.
Alright, but
Sis.
Yeah. Halo.
apa sih? Ngomong apa itu?
Sis, kayak marah-marah dia. Badannya keluar sis gitu, digas kita tuh.
Miss, saya izin keluar,
Apa
Miss.
tuh?
Why,
Oke,
bro?
bro.
Because my mental health is not really good.
Okay.
And then my
Mental
energy,
health.
your energy.
Mental health.
Okay, it's okay, dude. We're a free
Bukan, Miss.
class.
Why sis
Bukan
Nadira?
nanti, Miss. Emosi lagi.
Still be stronger. Still build.
Bu, no.
No,
I
no,
lost
what?
6
No,
million,
what?
6 million now.
Good
6
luck,
I lost
bro.
6 million
You
now.
can do
Oh my
that.
god.
Good luck, bro. Good luck,
6-7.
bro.
Don't be cry.
Bye. So
Kenapa
bye.
Yeah.
Bro Giralnya kena
I
mental
almost
kah?
cry.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
about
Bro
the
Giro
Kena mental, kena market, Miss.
It's about
misunderstanding.
his work. Yeah.
Dia kena mental. Kenapa sih,
Market,
bro?
Miss. Kena market.
Kena market.
Udahlah. Bukan
Okay.
bang.
Gak apa-apa bro, ingat
Udahlah.
kata bro Ali Tahir.
Izin ya, Mas. Thank you guys. Thank you for all of you guys. Oh my
Gak
god.
bahas
Semuanya
Alita.
milik Allah.
Semuanya milik Allah.
Pokoknya duit punya Tuhan itu Allah.
Duitnya Tuhan bro.
Waduh, tapi kalau mau buat kebaikan perlu duit, Bang.
Iya.
Intinya jangan patah semangat, bro. Come on.
Iya.
Come on
aman.
stronger.
Masih ada hari esok, bro.
Apalagi lu laki.
Okay.
Keep it always stronger, dude. Come on, cheer up.
Ya.
Okay, what's your
Chill up.
point, sis? What's your
Okay.
point?
Spicy now.
Oke, kasih
thank you,
sis
guys.
yang ngomong.
Attention
Nadira?
guys.
Thank you.
What about sis Nadira, by the way? What did you want to say?
Oh, I just want to say thank you for you, Miss, because for the first time you joined me in the back room,
Mm-mm.
I have so apa namanya? I
What?
have so many people ya to make me happy. Dari
Hmm.
awal masuk
Banget
course.
sampai sekarang baru ini yang best gitu.
Enggak, dari awal sampai akhir mantep-mantep.
Oke.
Oh,
Alright.
Oke,
mantap.
Sis Nadira,
That's why,
pick
guys.
your one. Siapa yang paling pick your
Siapa yang
one.
paling
This room.
mantap gitu?
Siapa yang paling
enggak.
mantap?
Yang paling mantap sih Saga sih.
Si Zaza kan, iya kan.
Aduh.
I
Iya
agree.
kan?
So
Itu
Tadi sebaik sama
itu
siapa sih kak namanya kak?
By the way, guys, that's why I said before,
Nadira.
in this batch, guys, di batch ini semuanya tuh oke-oke. Kenapa? Karena pada seru dan juga pada mau ngobrol semua. Jadinya kayak nggak ada yang kayak, aduh males deh gitu. Nah, nggak ada yang kayak gitu. Makanya kayak proud of this batch, guys.
iya
Yeay.
sis. Apalagi
Ini kayaknya
tutornya
abis
sangat
last session,
lucu dan
last
manis.
class kayaknya saya harus keluarin last quotes ini.
Because
Apa tuh?
go on.
Nah nanti dong, kan belum last
Oke.
class.
Alright, oke.
ya because
Jangan cepet-cepet ya, nanti cepet-cepet banget berakhirnya gitu, nggak ketemu lagi nanti.
because so it's tutor so cute maybe.
Alah, itu lagi.
That's true, bro.
You
I
just
agree with
brother
you.
with Miss.
Diem, Mei.
Pada Okay,
Apa-apa?
so apa tuh?
Udah kan, udah lanjut.
Okay, so all right for today, thank you so much everyone for coming. All right, thank you so much. And then tomorrow we'll come back again, yeah, in our last day of this week. Okay. All right,
Yes,
thank you so much
sis.
Sisa berapa hari
everyone.
lagi,
See
sis?
you.
Sis, jaga kesehatan sis.
7.
Jangan
7.
terlalu capek. 7 dong.
Siap.
Waduh,
Enggak
lanjut.
7, sama 7, 6.
Berapa? 6.
6 kelas lagi kan besok terakhir, terus minggu depan seminggu lagi 5 hari. 6 kelas lagi.
Emang bener-bener
Iya
kamu
sih.
Meza nih.
Cepet
Yaudah,
banget
thank
ya.
you sis.
Bye-bye, see you.
Thank
Sis,
you.
Bye.
jangan telat makan ya sis ya.
Iya.
Siap. Padahal makannya udah telat nih. Bye.
Aduh, nanti aku jemput.